If you've ever thought about making money online, but you had no idea where to start, this video is going to change everything for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that most people are completely sleeping on, and that is turning an existing blog post into a profitable ebook that sells on Amazon KDP, Pinterest, and social media, generating passive income for you month after month. Now, here's what makes this so exciting. You don't need to write anything from scratch. You don't need design skills. All you need is a great blog post that already exists on the internet, a tool called Designrr, and the willingness to follow this step-by-step process I'm about to walk you through today. So step one, identify the right blog post. Now, this is where most people would overthink things, but it's actually very straightforward. You want to find a high-ranking, highly valuable blog post in the digital skills niche, because this is one of the most searched and most purchased categories on Amazon KDP right now. People are desperate to learn digital skills. These topics sell extremely well as ebooks. So how do you find the best blog post? Start by going to Google and searching for the terms like how to make money with digital skills. Look at the articles that come up on the first page of Google. These are the highest ranking, most authoritative pieces of content on the internet right now. For this video, I searched for one of the most popular blog posts on digital skills and found an incredible, detailed, well-written article that covers everything from social media management to content creation to email marketing. This is the blog post we are going to use today. It covers practical, actionable digital skills that people are actually searching for and willing to pay for. Copy the URL of the blog post you've chosen because you're going to need it in the next step. And remember, you're not taking anyone's content. You're going to use this as a foundation and then add your own personal insights, experiences, and advice to make it uniquely yours. Step 2, using Designrr to create your ebook. Now here is where the magic happens, and this is the step that is going to save you hours of work. The tool we're using is called Designrr, and it is honestly one of the best investments you can make if you're serious about creating digital products. Designrr allows you to import a blog post directly from the internet and automatically converts it into a beautiful formatted ebook in just a few minutes. To get started, go to Designrr using the special link in the description below. I have negotiated a lifetime deal for my viewers, which means you pay once and get access to Designrr forever, with no monthly subscriptions and no recurring fees. This is an incredibly rare offer, and it's only available through my special link in the description. So make sure you click that link in the description and grab your lifetime access to Designrr. Once you're inside Designrr, click on Create New Project. You will then be asked to choose your format. And for this project, you're going to select Print Ready PDF, because this format works perfectly for Amazon KDP and for selling digital downloads on Pinterest and social media. After selecting the PDF format, you will see an option to import content. This is the powerful feature that makes Designrr so special. Click on Import from URL and paste the URL of the blog post you found in the first step. Designrr will go to that blog post and pull out the content directly into your project. Within seconds, you'll have all the text structure and sections from that blog post inside your Designrr project, ready to be formatted into a professional ebook. The next thing you will do is choose your theme. Designrr has a wide range of beautiful themes to access from. And for a digital skills ebook, you want something clean, modern, and professional. Look for themes with bold headings, clean fonts, and a color palette that feels tech savvy. Once you select your theme, Designrr will automatically apply it to your entire document, making everything look polished and professional. Now it's time to choose a template. Browse through the available templates and choose one that matches the style and tone of your ebook. Once your template is applied, it's time to use the built-in editor to personalize your content. This is the most important part of the process, and this is what separates a great ebook from an average ebook. Go through each section of the imported content, add a paragraph sharing your own experience with social media, a tip that worked for you, or a real example of how this skill can make money. This personal touch is what makes your ebook unique and valuable. Readers connect with authenticity, and when they feel like a real person is guiding them, they trust the content more, which drives even more sales. It's time to add images, and for this we are going to use a tool called Nanobanana. Nanobanana is an AI image generator that creates high quality, professional looking photos based on prompts. The reason I love Nanobanana for ebook creation is that you can keep your prompts consistent, which means all the images in your ebook will have the same visual style, the same lighting, and the same aesthetic. This makes your ebook look incredibly polished. For a digital skills ebook, you might generate images of someone working on a laptop in a bright, modern workspace. Use the same descriptive style in each prompt. Take this example, a young professional working on a laptop in a bright, modern home office with natural lighting. Then use similar prompts for every other image to keep everything consistent. Once your images are ready, upload them into the relevant sections inside Designrr. The platform will automatically adjust the spacing and layout so everything stays clean and professional. Let's now design the book cover. Your cover is the first thing people see on Amazon and Pinterest, and it can make or break your sales. Inside Designrr, your cover is typically the first page of your project. Make your title large, bold, and crystal clear. For example, the complete digital skills guide. Then add the subtitle, How to Build Profitable Skills and Make Money. This subtitle explains exactly who the book is for and what they will gain. Then use a strong, clean image as the background, something that communicates success. A great cover makes people stop scrolling and click, and more clicks mean more sales. Once everything looks exactly the way you want it, click Publish. Select Print Ready PDF and export your ebook in high quality. And just like that, you now have a complete professional ebook ready to sell. Step 3, publishing your ebook on Amazon KDP. Now that your ebook is ready, it's time to get it up on Amazon KDP and start making money. Amazon KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and it's Amazon's self-publishing platform that allows anyone to publish and sell ebooks directly on Amazon's massive marketplace. Setting up your account is completely free, and Amazon handles everything: the sales page, payment processing, and digital delivery to the customer. All you have to do is upload your ebook and set your price. Start by going to kdp.amazon.com and creating a free account. Once you're inside your KDP dashboard, click Create New Title and then select Kindle ebook because it requires no printing costs, and Amazon delivers instantly to customers anywhere in the world. Fill in your book details carefully because this is what helps Amazon show your book to the right people. For our digital skills ebook, a title like The Complete Digital Skills Guide, How to Build Profitable Online Skills and Make Money. This works really well because it includes keywords that people actually search for. Write a compelling book description that clearly explains what the reader will learn, who the book is for, and what results they can expect. Think of a description as a sales page. It needs to be convincing and benefit focused. Next, choose your categories and keywords. Amazon allows you to select 2 categories for your ebook. For your 7 keywords, Think about what your ideal reader would type into Amazon's search bar. Phrases like "make money online guide," "digital skills for beginners" are more strong keyword choices. Now upload your PDF file. Amazon will convert it into a Kindle compatible format automatically. Upload your cover. Make sure it meets Amazon requirements. Then set your price between $9.99 and $19.99. Amazon pays you a 70% royalty. Once everything is filled in, click publish and your ebook will be live on Amazon within 24 to 72 hours. And just like that, you are now a published author on the world's largest marketplace. Step 4, marketing your ebook on Pinterest, social media. Publishing your ebook on Amazon is just the beginning. The real money comes from actively promoting your ebook. Let's start with Pinterest because this is one of the most underrated and the most powerful platform for selling digital products. Pinterest is essentially a visual search engine and millions of people use it every single day. To market your ebook on Pinterest, create a business account if you don't have one yet, then create visually appealing pins using Canva, get the guide and link the pin directly to your Amazon KDP sales page where people can purchase the ebook. The key to success on Pinterest is consistency. Create 5 pins per week, each one highlighting different benefits or chapter from your ebook. Pinterest traffic is completely free. It compounds over time and it works incredibly well for digital products in the skills, business and lifestyle niches. Next is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube are incredibly powerful for promoting digital products. Each piece of content should give a genuine value and with a call to action directing people to the link in your bio where they can purchase the full ebook. Step 5, scale up and build your digital library. Now here's where this strategy becomes truly life-changing. Everything we've talked about today, finding a blog post, importing it into Designrr, creating a professional ebook, publishing it on Amazon KDP, and marketing it on Pinterest and social media is a repeatable process, and that means once you've done it once, you can do it again and again. This is the power of building a digital library, and with Designrr, you can create a new ebook in just a few hours. And every single book you create with Designrr becomes a permanent asset that can generate income for years to come. This is a real, legitimate business model that rewards consistency, creativity, and the willingness to take action. So here is your call to action right now. Click the link in the description below and grab your lifetime access to Designrr with a one-time payment, no monthly fees, no subscriptions, just unlimited ebook creation for life. This is a special deal exclusive for my viewers. Once you are inside Designrr, start with a blog post, create your first ebook, publish it on Amazon KDP, and promote it on Pinterest and social media. Then do it again and again. Build your digital library one ebook at a time and watch your passive income grow month after month. Thank you so much for watching Ruth Finance. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to join the Ruth Finance community where I share real and practical strategies for making money online every single week. I will see you in the next video.